you go first.
Mm-mm. You put him up if you don't want him in here.
Look.
No, not out here. Over in the garage if you don't want him out here. Is Mommy being sneaky? Oh, don't let Pa fall down. Pa, don't fall down. Mario, pick him up. Yay!
Boom, 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 boom.
Vroom. Woo! Oh, are you okay?
There's one down there.
What'd you call me that for? My name's not Max.
Yeah.
Nope. My name's Mama Steph.
Here you.
I don't want to hold him. Nope. No. 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 Definitely not. Oh, heck no. No. Oh, whoa, whoa, no. Oh. No. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. People are going to be dizzy when they see this. Whoa. Are you alright? Boy. You're klutzy today. You're a bit klutzy today, and you're laughing, so it's okay. It's a good thing. Go put him by the horsey if you want him to put him away.
I don't need my neck and...
Or that, or hold him.
It's winter.
It's winter? You mean it's not fall?
No, it's winter.
Are you sure?
It's winter.
Okay, I believe you. How about you put your Lammy over there?
Like here?
No, you put him in the little container in there. There's a safety composite. Yay! He gets to ride. Poor Pa. Oh no. Hopefully he won't get sick in there and go bleh. Oh, he's motion sickness. Oh no. Bleh. Oh, Pa.
What did you pull up in there?
Yeah. Silly Pa. Icky Pa.
Well, you have to get out so I can
Poor Pa. Cast out. I got him. Camera woman got him. Woo. Woo. Boom. Okay, stop that. Stop. Enough. Pick him up. Poor Pa. Hey, stop that. That's not very nice. Don't throw him around. Be nice to your little lamb. You're the shepherdess, remember?
I know.
Oh no, she's gonna make everything go wee! Mommy's having way too much fun with her toy.
That's my ball.
Brr. Silly Mama. Oh no! Oh no, the press is after her! paparazzi is after her. Oh no, she better run from the paparazzi. Oh no. Or is that Mamarazzi? Shall we say goodbye? Now, shall we say goodbye? Say bye-bye. You have to fix it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It was pretty fun.
Oh, okay. Good job.
Pretty fun.
Does Daddy fix things?
Yes,
He's really good at that, isn't he?
yes.
He's talented. Pick up your Emmy, please. You're not going to play with him. I'm going to pick him up. We'll put him over there, please. Oh no, I hear a squeaky wheel. You better fix it. Better fix it. Better fix that squeaky wheel.
That's that squeaky. Hi.
Okay. Now can you put Bot in the garage like I asked a million times? Okay, well, I'll just put him in there. Go put him in there. Go put him in the garage. He wants to be with Horsey. Yeah, he wants to be with Horsey. Okay. Yeah, did they fix it? Did they fix that wheel? Oh, careful, careful. You don't want to make that thing go hit that. There. Why does Mommy always have to help you out, huh? Silly Mama, always having to help. That's what mommies are good for, aren't they? Are you going to be a mama someday? Yes? Well, you better tell your daddy that one. Or we should send him this video. We can't. Why? Because why? Because you don't think he'll get this on his new on his new phone?
No.
Nope. Okay. Well, say bye-bye.